Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like the flashlight button to your home screen on iPhone. We all know you can use it on your lock screen. There will be like the flashlight button on your lock screen. I can't unfortunately show it because if I did go to my lock screen, the share screen thing, well, the screen recording thing will turn off. So to add it to your home screen, you're going to go to shortcuts. Actually, will show you in the control button, obviously the flashlight button's there. So I'm going to go to shortcuts here. And then we are going to add in a shortcut. So press the plus button here, add action, and you're going to type in flashlight. And then you're going to select it. And you're just going to press down here, simple as that. Select the three buttons here, and then you are going to add it to your home page. So share and then add to home screen, and then you can change the name and icon. I'm just going to name it flashlight. Then press add, then press done. Then you'll be able to see that shortcut, and when you press on it, obviously it's going to turn on the flashlight on. Again, I can't really show you because I'm just screen recording. You can't see if the flashlight is on. There is another way to do it by just like double tapping the back of your iPhone to turn on flashlight. So if you go to settings, if I'm not mistaken, it's in accessibility, and then touch, and then back tap, it's on. So under double tap, I have it as screenshot. Let me see if I can like show you if my phone will let me. Okay, it's not letting me. Oh, there we go. So if you wanted to instead enable flashlight, you're just going to select it, and then you're going to select flashlight, and when you back tap it 2 times, it's going to enable the flashlight. So those are basically like, I guess, like 4 ways to enable the flashlight. It's your choice, whichever one you want. Obviously I like the home screen one because the lock screen, because when my phone's locked, I can just like enable flashlight straight away. You can also enable flashlight like while you are recording. But again, those are like what, 4 to 5 ways. So the first one was we just turned it on from the control center, and there's one from the lock screen, one from the shortcut, one from the back tap, and one is like if you record something and like you enable the flash, obviously it's gonna turn on. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Let me know what your favorite way of turning on the flashlight is in the comment section down below, because I'd like to know, like, well, probably most people would just turn it on from their lock screen to like, I usually use it to find stuff from my bag. So yeah, interesting fact about me, because my bag's pretty messy, so I use that. So that is it for this video. Hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.